Good morning, it's Rochelle. This morning we're going to try to get this hair up. I have on this like shiny green outfit, so I thought this would go nicely because it's got the blues, greens, and purples. So we're going to use a swerve. I have a short one and a standard long one. I don't know if I'm going to use both. I think I'm going to use both. I would only need one to hold it, but going out tonight to a dinner play. So I thought I would maybe use two. I don't know. We're going to see how it rolls. Because you know with curly hair, you just have to kind of roll with it. All right, I'm just going to see how I just twist here on the side, just bringing in those curls. And I'm going to use one bobby pin to fasten that, just to hold it there. Just like so. I kind of grab the hair. Whoops! Grab the hair. And then roll it over and then guide it up into that roll. So it's completely hidden and secure. And on this side, I think we'll do the same. Grab a little and kind of twist just to make sure those curls hold back there. Same concept applies here. Grab a little of the twist and grab a little of the scalp hair. Let it go and up into the roll to hide the bobby pins. It's not visible. I don't care for visible bobby pins. All right, now we got this back here. We can go ahead and pull that hair out for a little volume like so, and then we'll always bring down a curl here and let it loose. Whoop. There we go. Cooperate with me there, little girl. All right, and then let's twist this up into kind of a French roll. So loosely making sure that hair rolls over. And I think I'm going to use the short. Okay, so we're going in, grabbing that hair, making sure we get that scalp hair on the other side. I always angle it up like that, and then roll, and then downward, and that's going to lock that right into position. And then we can situate our curls here, okay? Okay, just keep like pinning wherever you need to pin. Bring it as high as you want towards the front, but just keep placing the pins. It should only take a few. If you've secured that swerve nice and good, that eliminates a whole bunch of the bobbies. But yeah, so that locks that main bulk of the hair in place, and just keep working with it for a few minutes to be sure that it's how you want the curls to be. I'll touch it up here. And then right here at the nape of the neck, my curls naturally fall, so it's better to not fight them and let them naturally fall and place them rather than try to pin them up and then have to fight them because they're falling down. You have to work with curly hair. You certainly don't want to work against it. So I use hairspray like super sparingly, and I only use Pantene Airspray. It's an alcohol-free. And that's about it. And I usually only do that maybe once a week. And so can of Airspray, again, I use Airspray, not hairspray, lasts me a long time. All right, I think that's going to do it for me today. Oh, I want to look a little unbalanced. Let's pull a little more volume out here. And let's put a little curl here. I think that'll do. What do you think? But there we go. All right. If you have any questions about the swerve or the bobby pins that I used today, those are available on my website. I'll put the link in the description below. Thanks for sharing our videos and have a blessed day.